Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Okay, how are you today? Okay, alhamdulillah. We are okay. Now let's start our learning today by reading Al-Fatihah. Okay, well, the first time I want to make your brain refresh. So let's refresh our mind first. Everyone stand up. Stand up. Strike. Okay, stand up on your place. Put your notebook. Okay. Follow what I say.
Yes.
When I say one, clap one. Wait, listen to me first. One,
Listen.
two, three. Okay, now let's try. One, two, three. Stop. Now, when I say one, you have to clap twice. When I say two, you have to clap once. Okay? Listen to me first. One, two, one, two, one, two. If I say three, still three times. Okay? Let's try. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Clap for us. Sit down. Okay, sit down. Keep silent. Yes, your class now is too hot.
Yes.
Listen to Mr. Riddle. English is very important. Is it right?
Yes.
We can use English to understand many information in the book, in internet, in the video around of the world. So that we have to learn English in this era. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Do not let yourself be lazy to learn of English. I mean, Mister, I don't like English. No, we don't have choice. We have to learn English. Start from now for your future of time. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. And now I want to ask you, have you ever argued
Yes.
your friends about which game is better?
Yes. Sometimes.
Have you ever do that?
Yes.
Have you ever done that? Yes? If you ever done that, means is arguments. Okay? Arguments or opinions. So when you need your friend's opinion, like, how do you think? What is your opinion about this? That means you ask about the opinion. So today we are going to learn about what is this? Okay, the argumentative text. We have the topic today about the dynamic of human life. Do you know what is the meaning of dynamic of human life? What is dynamic? Life also have many problems. Sometimes happiness, sometimes sadness, sometimes difficult, sometimes easy. That means dynamic of human life. So do you understand about this topic?
Yes.
Okay. From this topic, I want to say something important for you all. Allah said in Al-Quran, Quran Surah Ar-Rum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, wa min ayatihi khalqus samawati wal ardi
Wait a minute.
wahtilafi alsinatikum wa alwanikum inna fi dzalika la ayatil liqaumi yatafakkarun.
Yes.
What does it mean? Allah command to us in this verse, we underline wahtilafi alsinatikum. So Allah created all humans in this world with the different language. Okay, Indonesia, Malaysia, English, another country have different language. That's why from this verse we have to learn the language, especially English as an international language. So from this verse, we as Muslim should learn English. The second, the dynamic of life also teach us how to respect another's people opinion. We always talk with another one every day, so we have to give respect to another's opinion. That means this is the main point of the topic dynamic of human life. And also in the argumentative life should we express our opinion politely, wisely. Use our mind to express your opinion politely. You have to listen another one opinion first, then you have to respect not only your own opinion, but we have to listen to another opinion. That means from this argumentative text, we learn about we keep ourselves, we control ourselves in the communication. Okay, so use your communication well, wisely. Use your mouth politely. Okay, everyone have mind to state the opinion. So this is the important thing you have to understand about that. And then in this life, we should have love inside of our heart. You know love?
Yeah.
What is love? Okay, so what does it mean love here? I say this is three kinds of love here. Number one is love to Allah and the Prophet Muhammad. Number two, love to the environment. And number three, love to ourselves. What does it mean? When we learn the argumentative text, that means we follow the teaching of Allah and the Prophet Muhammad. In this life, we have to talk politely with another one. That means this is the teaching of Allah and the Prophet Muhammad. That means we love to Allah and the Prophet by keep our mouth, speak with other politely. Number two, love to the environment. Sometimes we talk about the nature, the environment, the cleanliness of this class. That means we love to our environment. It's like in this class. Do you have the picket schedule here?
Yeah.
That means we love to the environment. And number three is love to ourselves. Remember, you have to believe in yourself. When you want to talk English, you should do that confidently. Okay? Confidently. That means you have to love yourself first in the learning of English.
Yes.
Understand everyone?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the next one. What happened? No? Next. We have to keep attention. What is the name here? Graduate profile dimension. What is that? There are four. Number one, faith and taqwa to Allah. What? Age.
Yes.
I only mention four here, not all. Okay. Number one, faith and taqwa to Allah. Number two, critical thinking. Number three, collaboration. And number four is what? Independence. Taqwa, faith and taqwa to Allah. As a Muslim, we have to put inside of our heart faith and taqwa to Allah, because this is the obligatory of the Muslim. Number 2, critical thinking. Everyone should have an opinion about everything. If you want to say something, I think you have an opinion. For example, you look at me. I have an opinion about Mr. Rito. I have an opinion about that, and that. That means critical thinking should be done for everyone wisely. Okay? Wisely, use your mind. And number 3, what is that? Number 3, collaboration. We cannot live in this world by ourselves. We need another people because we are social creator. Is it right? Yes. Like you. Can you eat the rice by yourself? No. You need your parents. You need another people to cook the rice, and maybe you need help for another people. That means the creator people is always for human. At last is independence. What is the independence? We have to do everything by ourselves. Okay, we need another people, but sometime we have to do by ourselves. For example, would you take a bath with another people? No, you have to do that by yourself. It's like this. Now you are learning English. You have to do this by yourself. What does it mean, the independence? Believe in yourself that you can do this, that you can learn English. Understand, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the last about this one. Wait, I have to connect first. About the material of the argumentative text. So, hopefully, from this learning, we hope you construct the writing, the reading, the speaking, also the listening skill from the material of argumentative text. So, I have to explain first what is the argumentative text about. What's this video? Can you see this clearly?
Yes.
Yes. Wait. So this needs few minutes maybe. Okay. Go to the description of argumentative text. What is argumentative text about? Here, this text contains someone's opinion about something supported by reason and evidence to convince the reader to agree with that opinion. What does it mean? There are two choices about the argumentative text here, agree or disagree.
Yes.
Okay. Or we can say another language, positive or negative, agree or disagree. So this is the meaning, the definition of argumentative text. This is support by reasons. Reason is opinion, our idea. Okay? Next. Wait. The purpose. The purpose to learn this argumentative text to convince the reader in order to believe or agree with the writer's opinion. This is the purpose.
Yes.
Do you understand this text? Okay. To convince the reader in order to believe or agree with the writer's opinion. Text here is writing form. Okay. So this is, we underline the writer's opinion. Okay. We are talking about the text. The argumentative text. Next. The next one. The structure are number 1, introduction. So if we divide this structure, there are 3 paragraphs. It contains about 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph, or number 1, introduction. What inside? You have to introduce the topic and state the main opinion. The second paragraph, contains arguments, give reasons and evidence to support the opinion. And the third paragraph, conclusion, restates the opinion and summarize the arguments. Number 3, this is the conclusion. Number 2, this is your opinion. You can give agreement, opinion, or disagree. And number 1, this is the general description about the topic. This is the example. I show you the example of the argumentative text. Here the topic. Okay, the example. Look at the topic. Students should not bring mobile phones to school. Understand this topic?
Yes.
Wait. Students should not bring mobile phones to school. From this topic, let's try to make the argumentative text. Next. The introduction. This is included in the first paragraph. Some people think students should bring their phones to school, but I believe they shouldn't. Let's read more. Some people think students should bring their phones to school, but I believe they should not. Understand this text?
Yes.
This is little description about the topic. And then let's read deeply to the next paragraph. This is included in arguments. This one. Wait, do you like that?
Yes.
The colorful. Okay, next. Look at here. Let's see. There are 3 opinions here. First, look at here. First, and then second, and then finally. So, in the argumentative text, you have to write this opinion orderly. First, second, third, or etc. Look at the argument of this topic. First, mobile phones can distract students during lessons. They might play games or check social media instead of paying attention to the teacher. The first opinion. Whose opinion here? From the writer. Okay. The second opinion. Phones can cause cheating during exams because students can search for answers easily. And then the third, or here finally, the third reason, opinion, bringing phones can create problems like theft or loss. What is theft? Right. So, this is the main important thing in argumentative text. We have to give many opinions. Not only 1, 2, at least 3. Okay? At least 3. At last. Here. Conclusion. This is the last paragraph. Therefore, students should not bring.
New study by the online monitoring
Wait,
group finds that
not this one.
may push harmful.
Is this handsome?
Yes.
Wait. I'm talking the argumentative text. This one. Okay. Look at the conclusion. Therefore, students should not bring mobile phone to school because it can disrupt learning and cause many problems. So the conclusion from all of the arguments in the second paragraph. So at least you can create or write the argumentative text in 3 paragraphs. The first, what is the first paragraph? About introduction. The second paragraph about argument. The last paragraph about? Okay, good. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I want to divide you worksheet. From the worksheet, we can practice many skills of English. We will show you the video after I divide the worksheet. I will divide this worksheet based on the level, okay? Wait. Stay on your position, don't move another place. Basic, up your hand. Okay, wait. Stay on your position. I will go to your place. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you. And you. Here enough? Basic. Wait. Basic. 1. Okay. Intermediate. What is your level? About this, Mr. Riddle have 3 assessment here. Cognitive, 3 skills. I take the score. Okay, cool. For the reading, listening, and writing, I take this score for the cognitive. And the second, for the speaking, this score include in performance assessment. Okay, at last, for all of the process of learning here, I will take the score of effective. What's that? How is your diligence? How is your attention? And the last, your responsibility. Okay, so I will take all the score from 3 aspects. Now, everyone, you can turn your chair face to your table to do the reading skill first. I give you in 15 minutes. No, reading first. Yeah, of course. We will do that. Okay, in 15 minutes, you have to do the reading skill. Shh. Be quiet. Look at here. Mr. Rido will play the video. You can find the answer from the video to answer all the questions of listening. Also, from this video, we use the source for the writing, also for the speaking. So please stop to write, then concentrate your mind to listen to the video. Are you ready? You should be ready. Okay. Look at this is the news. There is a topic here. There is an interested topic. This also for our listening, writing, also the speaking. I will replay maybe twice. So, everyone please concentrate your mind.
New study by the online monitoring group finds that TikTok may push harmful content to its young users. Whit Johnson is here with the details. Good morning, Whit.
Michael, good morning to you. 2 out of 3 teenagers use TikTok for an average of 80 minutes per day. And this study reveals just how quickly they're bombarded with concerning content on things like eating disorders and self-harm. This morning, a new study suggesting that the wildly popular social media platform TikTok may push harmful content to young teens. The app's intuitive algorithm recommends posts on the For You page that may interest users based on the content they share and interact with.
It's the speed and ferocity with which that algorithm is pushing addictive, dangerous content to children that really worried us.
Researchers at the Center for Countering Digital Hate created accounts pretending to be 13-year-old girls in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. 13 is the minimum age requirement to be on the platform.
What we found was really disturbing. Within minutes, it was sending self-harm and suicide content eating disorder content within 8 minutes, and every 39 seconds, our test accounts received some sort of harmful content.
The study also finding that TikTok accounts set up with the phrase lose weight in their name receive significantly more recommendations for content promoting eating disorders like junkorexia, a slang term for people with anorexia who only eat junk food. TikTok pushing back, telling ABC News the study does not reflect genuine behavior or viewing experiences of real people. We regularly consult with health experts, remove violations of our policies, and provide access to supportive resources for anyone in need. Experts now urging parents to stay on top of how their kids are using social media.
Your kid can do one random search and all of a sudden the algorithm thinks, well, this is what they're interested in. So we have to be aware of this and take a look at what our kids are being shown.
Now, TikTok says their goal is to foster a safe and comfortable space for everyone, adding that the app also features people sharing their recovery journeys for education. But experts say this is another reminder that parents need to stay educated on what their kids are watching and experiencing online. It's just, but for parents, it's just very difficult to keep up with all of this.
I agree. It's really tough, but at least you know what's out there now.
Exactly.
All right, thanks so much, Whit.
Wait.
A new study by the online
Okay. Should I replay? Yes. Okay. Do not forget, you have to listen, watch this video, also answer the listening skill on your worksheet, right? Okay. Let's replay.
monitoring group finding that TikTok may push harmful content to its young users. Whit Johnson is here with the details. Good morning, Whit.
Michael, good morning to you. 2 out of 3 teenagers use TikTok for an average of 80 minutes per day. And this study reveals just how quickly they're bombarded with concerning content on things like eating disorders and self-harm. This morning, a new study suggesting that the wildly popular social media platform TikTok may push harmful content to young teens. The app's intuitive algorithm recommends posts on the For You page that may interest users based on the content they share and interact with.
It's the speed and ferocity with which the algorithm is pushing addictive, dangerous content to children that really worry us.
Researchers at the Center for Countering Digital Hate created accounts pretending to be 13-year-old girls in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada. 13 is the minimum age requirement to be on the platform.
What we found was really disturbing. Within minutes, it was sending self-harm and suicide content, eating disorder content within 8 minutes, and every 39 seconds, our test accounts received some sort of harmful content.
The study also finding that TikTok accounts set up with the phrase lose weight in their name receive significantly more recommendations for content promoting eating disorders like junkorexia, a slang term for people with anorexia who only eat junk food. TikTok pushing back, telling ABC News the study does not reflect genuine behavior or viewing experiences of real people. We regularly consult with health experts, remove violations of our policies, and provide access to supportive resources for anyone in need. Experts now urging parents to stay on top of how their kids are using social media.
Your kid can do one random search and all of a sudden the algorithm thinks, well, this is what they're interested in. So we have to be aware of this and take a look at what our kids are being shown.
Now, TikTok says their goal is to foster a safe and comfortable space for everyone, adding that the app also features people sharing their recovery journeys for education. But experts say this is another reminder that parents.
Okay. I will replay twice for listening and once for writing. So enough. Now try to answer the listening skill. Just memorize. Remember for everything you listen. You have here from the video. What is the paper for? What is the topic of the video? TikTok. From this video, I take the topic about the TikTok. You know the TikTok?
Yes.
Okay, the TikTok. I divide you all into groups. Two groups, two sides. Okay, my right are positive opinion or agree about it, and left side are negative opinion or disagree about it. Okay, so now before we discuss about the topic, use this paper to write the opinion, your own opinion about the TikTok. Decide you are agree with the TikTok. All, I mean 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And these groups are disagree with the TikTok. Understand? 1 minute to prepare yourself. Write all of your opinion here. Start from now. 1 minute. Yes, by yourself. No, by yourself. This one. Don't use worksheet. This one first. Silent. Hello, group. Which group are noisy? Farhan. This one. No, not use the paragraph like the argumentative text. No, but just write your opinion about the TikTok based on your group. Here are agree, here are disagree. Okay? After this, let's practice to discuss based on your opinion. Understand I mean? Okay. 1 minute. No, I take the topic from the video. Don't follow the video. If the video are not agree, so don't follow the video.
We are agree about TikTok.
Yes. That means you have the positive, the benefit of TikTok. Yes, you mention all the benefit of TikTok. Negative, you have to mention what are unbeneficial of TikTok. Okay? 30 seconds more. Okay, you don't have the paper. I have this paper. You have different paper. It's okay. Use this. What do you mean mix it? No. Yes. Hello? Okay. Enough? Have you prepared all? After this, we will fight. We will fight our own opinion with different group. Which is the winner? Which is the win group?
Yes.
Understand? Okay. Okay, stop. Because we have limited time. Now, if you need to write more, you can continue by yourself. But I have to start now the speaking skill. I need one group here, one speaker first, and here one speaker first to state your opinion. Here agree, here disagree. Okay, I say the name. Mr. Rido always will write students are noisy here. If you cannot be silent, I will write your score are bad. And who are active, I will write active. Okay, I start from the agree opinion first. From this group, I say to one to be the first. Okay, stand up. Give applause your group. Wait. Use this. Okay, closer. No, just hold.
Just hold.
Yes. Wait, attention. This is the first opinion about TikTok. Silent. Hello. Okay, now.
So in the digital era, there's a lot of application that we have in the digital era. Like example is TikTok. So TikTok is a social media that very popular in the young generation. Cause TikTok can explore many things like we can explore about surfing, we can explore about croquet and something like that. And the positive impact about TikTok is we can use it for interaction with others people through the TikTok on through and everyone we can talk with other people from other country and other people in the other region. And then for me the positive impact is we can explore anything through the TikTok. And I say if I had a hobby like I like to cook, and then like I like to cooking, and then if I want to searching about the recipe, I can search in the social media through the TikTok. So that's why I think TikTok has a positive impact in our social.
Enough?
Yes.
Okay, give applause. Yeah. Sit down. Thank you. Now, time for this group. Okay, Chakra. Face there. To state your opinion. Silent. Okay. Give applause to Chakra. Stop. Okay, enough.
Yes, Assalamualaikum
Chakra.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will argue about Bening that already said. So because Bening is said the positive things, and I will talk about the negative thing. If we talk about the benefit to kids, we can definitely see if the positive impact is or the bad impact is not the same level. The positive impact is only for a few things, but the bad impact is we can get a lot of things. For the example, a kid that doesn't know nothing about learning harm words can be learned about learning something that can or learn something words that's not polite. That's one thing. The second thing is the children can achieve too much information. Achieve an information is also a good thing, but achieving too much it's a bad thing because as a kids we cannot accept a lot of things at once. And this is information. Maybe some information, maybe just like some fun fact, it is okay because it is child. But if the information is just like the information that for adults only, the kids will be curious about that and will be search. Maybe if this about something that still safe, it's okay. But if it's include into drugs and something like that, it can be harmful. That's true. And the bad impact is it's not always instantly impact on the kids, but it is slowly. So for the example, the kids is have a great time with their friends, but and then their moms buy him a phone, so and he download TikToks, and after that, the kid doesn't want to go out anymore. She only wants to go home, playing the phone, watching TikToks. I think in this era or in these years old, just like for the kids, it is better to not only watching some TikToks, but we need to experience it itself. It is true we can know a lot of things from TikToks, but it is better to the kids to experience it themselves because TikTok is a social media, right? And also it's online, so a lot of information in there, and also the kids can know a lot of information. So I think no, the level of the positive impact and the bad impact is not the same level. So I think for the kids, TikTok is bad for the kids.
Okay, give applause to the speaker. The next one, I want you to give comment or question for the speaker from this group first. You have to give comment from the speaker, okay, comment or question, and the speaker will answer, or maybe another one will support, give another opinion. Next, I want you. You. What is your level? Okay. Use it. Firstly, you have to give comment from the speaker, and then also you have to give what's that question. Okay, that you are disagree with that with his opinion. Okay, okay, use that. Okay. Right now,
So I disagree with
louder
with-
voice.
So I disagree with his opinion because
Okay, you are disagree about
his
opinion.
opinion because he said that TikTok will give us too much information, but in my opinion, TikTok can't give.
Quiet.
If TikTok gives too much information, it is because they get because TikTok be for the For You page. TikTok can we can get too much information from TikTok because we
Loud
are
voice.
searching in the algorithm. So our algorithm will come like for the searching that we do. So like from the our For You page is based on our searching. So yes, too much information can come from our own searching. So yes, I
Loud
disagree
voice.
with
They
the
cannot listen to your voice.
so I disagree with him
Yeah,
because
disagree.
yes, because he said that we can get too much information in TikTok, but actually TikTok will give us a lot of information if we search in TikTok. Because from my own opinion, when we search something in TikTok, then in our For You page it will come just like our searching. So in my opinion, if we get too much information TikTok, it is because our own self. Yes, because yes.
Okay, I take the conclusion from the comment.
Yes.
So she is disagree about the opinion because search information not only in the TikTok. If we want to search in TikTok based on the personality,
No.
yes,
No, Mister. No.
no,
Yes. No. Because I
What?
said before, like when we search in TikTok, then our searching it will come like the For You page. Yes, the For You page is come from based on our searching. So yeah.
okay, it's like algorithm, right?
Yes.
If you search a positive things,
Yes.
so the if YP will come to your TikTok,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
That is algorithm. Okay, this is one answer. Also the question or the comment from the that group. Okay, thank you. Give applause. Okay, I need one from that speak from that one to give comment. Okay, from here. Give comment, also give the question. I so call is Farhan. You. Now it's your turn.
No, Farhan is agree with in the pro side.
Loud voice. Comment and also question from the speaker.
So from my opinions, I agree about the opinion because in TikTok we can just explore everything inside. The impact of TikTok can bring some teenagers some creative ideas from some ideas that were found in the For Your page algorithm in TikTok. While we're searching some videos in the TikToks, we get the teenager are easily to find creative ideas and can are arguing in the comments every day, accept or not. Uh, and we can also get.
Yes.
And that and that but besides that, TikTok also have a bad impact, especially for teenagers. That but it based on all the TikTok algorithm by the research. Um,
Okay, give applause. Okay, thank you. Farhan, where is your group? This one. Okay, I give you time to reply. Reply the comment. I want another one first. Want to reply? No, wait. Another chakra. Yes, another. I mean another one. Huh? Safi. No. You? You? Only you? Okay. Okay, wait. There is no one? Another chakra? If there is no one, I give another one from here to give comment. Okay, you.
Yes.
Okay, you wanna ask Chakra? Chakra, listen to the question.
Now then, Chakra, if I heard correctly, your main point in that argument was about the search bar, right? That if a children were to inexplicably search for something that's harmful to them, for example, adult content, what I mean is pornography or gore, yes? Because TikTok at that time didn't really have good regulation over what content their user posts. Now, I have a better question for that. Isn't it better if we ask the children's or the environment of the user themselves? Because in the first place, how did the user, that's teenagers, supposed to know about adult content, adult information? Now, that's my question to you.
Enough?
Yes.
Okay. Your question for Chakra, but I want the answer not from Chakra. You wanna answer? Right?
I will.
Yes. Okay. Little answer. I will give another one. Farhan, you have to join here. Okay? Join here.
So the problem is not about about the circle of this children itself. As we all know, the kid isn't mature. So the kids is always curious. So even though the algorithm is showing a good things or bad things, the kids will always find some information, I don't know, somewhere, but the kids will somehow know some information because of they are kids and immature. They research into the TikToks because they are curious. Because of that, they can still achieve the information that they shouldn't know.
Okay. Enough?
Now,
Okay. The last speaker, because we have limited time. I want this one. Farhan, give a tag to this group by your comment or your question. Up to you. Give your own opinion about this. What is your opinion? Agree, right? Or disagree? Okay.
about the opinion of the guy,
No, up to you. But you have to give question.
give question to the vice.
Up to you. Yeah. No, Chakra is your friend. Here, another group.
So this is agree or disagree? Oh, disagree.
Okay.
So
Loud voice.
So in this section, I will have a tag to the disagree one. So what if the TikTok can also have a strict regulation that can avoid the bad or harmful videos, and they also have a regulation that is restricted to their own very important content that they must that the TikTok corporation is always safe and filter it first before they publish it. So how about your comment about it?
Okay. At last, Yes, I give you the time to answer the question at last.
Now, Farhan, to a certain degree, I can agree at some point, but you know how people are, you know? At some point, they know how to get past those security checks and always post something adult that's harmful to the users. Like using a filter that's almost distracting the entire image itself. Now, as you know, TikTok right now has a feature where you can post pictures in the comments. And from a personal experience,
Reflection.
that didn't really went well. Because even after they've added more regulations and stricter control over what the user posts, the user would still be able to post something adult picture, pornography pictures, gore. I've once seen a comment, a picture of two beheaded people in a Malay video. I think it was Malaysian news, and then the comment showed a picture of two people without their bodies, heads beheaded. So
Okay.
I'd like,
Enough?
yes.
Okay, give applause for us. Sit down. Sit down. Okay, thank you for all of your opinions. That's great opinion. Now we have limited time. We cannot continue. At last, I give you 30 seconds to prepare yourself to give reflection. You know reflection? Reflection to review the material I have already explained before until the end. Okay? 30 seconds to prepare. Start from now. Quiet. Argumentative text. Okay? Okay, time is up. Now I call to give the reflection is you. Come here, give applause. Here. Okay, you know reflection? Review the material of argumentative text. Yeah, right.
Okay, so the material of argumentative text, it is a text where people give opinions to other people, and each people have different opinions. For example, they agree and the other is disagree. So argumentative text is really important if you want to give an opinion to other people so that they will agree with your opinion. So argumentative text is really important for everyone to learn, and I think everyone should implement it in their daily life.
Enough?
Enough is it.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Okay, at last from me. So the argumentative text is material, important material we have to learn, because from this we can control our mind by giving opinion based on the data, the truth, the fact. Not only on own opinion, but we have to give by data. Okay, that's all. Do you understand all? Okay, so at last from me, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.